Patrick, what are you doing, dude?
We're getting dressed.
Where are you going?
We're going to C10 Fall Revival.
Where's that?
North Carolina.
Oh, balla. We're also taking this giant rig.
Big old girl.
And the Blazer. Let's go see what Rocky's up to. Rock.
What's up, man?
What are you doing?
Man, I'm just getting some stuff so we can go.
You ready to go?
Dude, I'm ready to go.
C10 Fall Revival, here we go. We're about to load up in the Blazer, go meet a bunch of folks up in Livonia at a raceway. So we're gonna go meet up with some trucks, head 4 hours to Oakburn, North Carolina. This man is all the way from Texas. He flew in last night, stayed in the Airstream. Now we're headed to North Carolina.
Let's do it.
And he's got his Dixon flannel on.
Yes, sir.
Ballin'. What is that? What the hell is that?
I feel like it's like right here.
Okay, so we missed the opportunity to bring it to you on film, but Rocky's been doing a lot of work adjusting the doors and the gaps and stuff on the Blazer. And he's right here behind us in the HD towing the Airstream. But apparently when we were messing around with it the other night, either he didn't get the fender tight or get the bolt tight in the lower part of the fender, or it just worked its way loose. So Patrick just hopped down there with a 9/16 and took care of it. Because that's what it takes, right? Show him this little trusty 9/16 we got.
I don't even know where you get that from.
I don't even know what name it is. It's called the Great Neck. 9/16 and a half inch.
That came out of Grandpa's toolbox.
That came straight out of Grandpa's toolbox. And we're gonna keep it and use it. Thanks for doing that. So yeah, rattly fenders don't work on road trips. My wife has been making us coffee in a percolator, which is awesome because it tastes great, but this crap is hot.
Yeah.
Constantly. Just hot.
I already learned my lesson.
Yeah. I don't know where you're going, but you sure do look awesome on that trailer.
Oklahoma.
That's called your pad. Is that Patrick? Oh yeah. So we made it to the first stop to meet all the guys and girls. You're not getting that open. Yeah, you're not getting that open. It has a the levers down here. I'll get it, man. Let's just see if that's what it is.
Dude, it's gotta be something right there. That's tight now.
Yeah, that is super tight. Oh, it's that. That's what it is. And we can't do any. Actually, yes, we can.
Can we get to that?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Yeah, I see the
All
screws
the way
out.
back
I
down.
see the screw out. I'll just do it. Hold this.
Make you fix your own truck.
It's right. We mounted on the back of the car support.
Rocky, why am I checking all your bolts right now?
That's why it does it, because
Go ahead, try it. Yep.
it's such a mess right there. Hey man, how y'all doing? What's up, dude? Thanks for waiting. Sorry I'm late. We got stuck in traffic. Really? Yeah. Same traffic Rick got stuck in. Say hi. Dave, and remind me your name? Tim.
What's up?
We're gonna head to North Carolina here in a minute. If I can get some gas and stop messing around. So we just used 4 gallons coming, I don't even know how many miles. How many miles did we just do? And so we're having a debate over chicken sandwiches. And we're not gonna say Chick-fil-A over Bojangles, but we're pulling through Bojangles right now. And I wanted to let y'all know real quick.
Did this just turn into a food vlog?
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah. Review.
So we just came 100 miles after we've had this thing tuned. We've got the new gear, all that stuff. We came 100 miles. I just put 4 gallons of gas, 100 divided by 4. We just got 25 miles a gallon on the way over here. Hope that continues. That's pretty impressive. That's simple math, probably not scientific. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Rocky's having fun because he's riding in the brand new truck, pulling the Airstream. Cool, AC.
I've got no problems.
Got no problems. He didn't even talk to anybody. He's
Snacks,
doing great.
homemade muffins.
Snacks, muffins, thanks to my wife.
Got everything.
He's just set.
Man.
He has nothing to worry
Man.
about. But Patrick and I are hungry,
Yeah.
so we made Rock get in here with no AC, no heat, and we're grabbing us a biscuit.
Figure it out.
Patrick's gonna figure out that Bojangles Cajun filet biscuit is. Woo!
I'm ready.
Woo! Here we go. What's the name of the game right here? Oh yeah. Yeah. It's right downtown Atlanta. What's up? What's new?
Chaz is hungry and I'm hungry.
Oh,
You ain't hungry.
On the ground is freaking out.
Why are you hungry,
yeah.
Rick?
Because my girlfriend didn't get me anything to eat when the last stop when y'all were getting food.
Sorry.
But I got you something.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Nobody told me Rick was hungry.
No, that's
I
all right.
remembered after I saw him.
Yeah.
Anybody having trouble?
The pushing in my steering is kind of squeaking a little bit.
Dude, your side mirror, man, does
Oh,
like
no, it drives me nuts.
this. I've never noticed
With
that.
Brembo.
I gotta get something to eat.
So I don't know where we are, somewhere in South Carolina, but we are 2 hours maybe out from Oakboro, North Carolina. So we're gonna keep moving, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's Friday. Got all these awesome trucks with us. Even got a cute dog. Look at this super cute dog. Sarah, what's the name of this dog?
It's Brembo.
Brembo.
I'm always telling him to stop.
Always telling us to stop. That's ridiculous. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna keep chugging along, and we'll see you in Oakboro, North Carolina. What's up, little doggy? What's your name? Brembo? Whoa, don't eat.
You're gonna eat that microphone.
Yeah, he will.
That. Little rascal. What's wrong with you? You thought that was a dead cat.
What's that?
Who's that fine individual? You having fun yet?
Oh yeah, all day.
What's been your favorite part so far?
Just enjoying everybody.
Yeah, man.
Driving down the interstate.
I think that's
It's been a
it
good
too.
time. We got a good group.
Dude, great group.
We got a good group
Great
of
group
guys.
of folks.
Absolutely.
Especially that OSQR BDY out there. Currently doing that. And we're all going to jail.
Oh God. Please God, don't say it.
Yeah, Rick's got that beer.
Hey, it's payday.
Oh, man. Can I get a ride?
Yeah, man.
What's up, guys?
What you doing, man?
brother?
Long time
Patrick,
no see.
nice to meet you.
Patrick, nice to meet you. What's up, Robbie?
What's up, man?
Good. Glad you guys made it, brother.
Dude, I'm glad to be here.
You got pretty much your same spot, but they're back here washing trucks right now.
Okay.
So you can pull back here if you want now, or you can just follow right in behind Rick.
Where's Benny?
I have no idea.
Because he's gonna get me set up on the camper situation. Unless you know something about it.
Tell her to pull, just
Pull over here and then.
just pull over here, and then we'll get you situated, okay?
Thanks for having us.
All right,
man.
brother. No, thank you,
Pull up
man.
next to Brian.
Awesome.
I'm looking for you. I'm looking for you. Can you come back here? Okay. Yeah. Why'd you leave us, Jay?
I didn't mean to. I'm falling fast.
So we have officially made it, but we're not set up. So we got quite a bit to do to get set up. You can see some of these awesome trucks in the background back here. And let's go check on Rocky. He's been driving the tow rig all day.
You've been sitting in a recliner all day.
You've been sitting in that recliner.
You've been sitting in that lazy boy.
Oh, son. You doing good, man?
Yeah, man, I'm awesome.
Thanks, bro. Just
Just making it happen.
I guess just hang tight here and we'll
Yeah, I didn't know where they wanted me, so I just pulled over here.
hang tight right here. It's crazy, isn't it? Yep.
That back strap broke, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Yep.
Jay,
Yeah.
you working?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what's So not only is this an awesome show, they give you this spot right here to wash your truck if you want to. Look what Dave just did.
Okay.
And what is this you're talking about?
Beer. I can't live
Oh
without
my gosh, you can't live without beer?
Well,
Sorry, I had to fix the thing.
We're on vacation.
That's true.
This is vacation.
So the cool thing is, we're gonna be camping right here. The back of Cody's awesome house. Sorry, that just got super. But look at all the shows gonna be right there. And we're gonna be right here. I'm pretty pumped about that. Y'all pumped about this? Somebody say something.
Hi.
Something.
Cue the music.